And we're back. According to a 2016 article by parents.com, the price of a private adoption varies greatly, but usually ranges from $20,000 to $45,000. Costs include legal fees between $1,500 and $4,000, court documentation fees $500 to $2,000, and home studies between $1,500 and $4,000. Counseling and medical expenses for birth parents, training for adopted parents, and interim child care. That is the domestic cost. Okay. So what's going to happen now that you have an influx of supply? Obviously, that cost has to go down. So who's going to benefit? Not only will the agencies benefit, lawyers. So they're going to be, do you do adoptions? Oh, good, because I need one. Court fees, to get certain documents is going to increase, etc. And what we find, you're going to have a lot of people who are going to get rich off of this ban of Roe v. Wade. You're going to get, and we're not going to talk about the prison, the pipeline, and how they make many of the articles that we wear daily, and or these are individuals who work on the roads, etc., etc. Oh, we got a whole little thing going on in here. It's so sad that there are going to be people that will make money off of this. And then, okay, wait a minute, you ready? Wait a minute. You ready? This watch, okay, it's talking stuff. But you ready for this? So what if you have a child who, the child is, that has significant health needs, such as rape or incest or improper medical care? What are you going to do with that? Simple. The government is going to pass, and they're going to give you grants. And those grants will probably be $6,000 to $7,000 a child. And what? So they're going to make money. That's my point. Many of these adoption agencies are going to make millions of dollars as a result of this. Tracy Nelson, pipeline to prison most definitely will benefit. Yeah. This is amazing. And I don't think that we realize the damage that we're doing. You know what I'm saying? It's like you going to the bar. You had a couple too many drinks, and you should not be driving home. But you make it home. But nobody thinks that when they take that one drink, they're going to go to prison. They're going to kill somebody. But you take a chance. No one thinks that because I'm having sex, I'm going to end up pregnant. You definitely taking a chance. It's greater than that person at a bar drinking, getting under the influence, and killing someone. Yours is great. It's a 50% chance. A 50% chance that can happen. But will they make contraceptive available in the schools? Probably not. I don't want my child to get condoms or different things from the school. That's my decision, but you're not making a decision. And then when your child come home pregnant, okay, because of some situation, at least hopefully consensual, but you're like, oh my God, I didn't know all this is going to happen. We have to start preparing our young people. You got to start saying, listen, and for some of y'all old heads too, okay? Well, it don't feel right then it ain't going to feel at all, okay? Stop letting people hoodwink you into believing that unprotected sex is the way, makes it more pleasurable. It doesn't. And if it does, guess what? I'm not willing to take that risk to make you happy. at my expense. So I'm sorry about that. Things just not going to be that way. And we got to educate. My belief, they need to start having Planned Parenthood in schools, in middle schools, in high schools, so that a parent can say, I agree to sexual counseling and to providing them if they need something and they need to get it. Because the trauma that is involved with making a decision to first of all, to get pregnant, to terminate a pregnancy, and or to take a child to birth is horrible. It's a lot. And so as a result of that, we can say, well, we don't want little Johnny and Timmy to do, we can scream that all night and day. Nobody wants their child having sex in 6th grade, but it happens. And as a result, when it happens, you have to prepare for that. Oh no, that's why do you have car insurance? Because if I get in an accident, well, the law says I have to, but if I get in an accident, guess what? I'm protected. And so are the people that drive my vehicle. You have to have some level of assurance. And you take a look at this. Now, follow along, and I'm trying to get off a little bit. You remember when we were growing up, many of you went to the store and a chicken little leg, like a little chicken wing, it might have been a little bit bigger than this. Now a chicken wing about this big. The hormones that we put in food, the hormones that affect our children's growth, their maturity. You never saw children with no breasts in no 5th grade. If children menstruating as young as 9 years old, you didn't see that. But as a result of all the hormones that's in the food that they're drinking, they're exposed to, they're maturing much faster. The average child probably in the 8th grade probably wears a woman size 10. You didn't see that. You many of you all, including myself, we stayed a size 4 up until what? High school, college. Now, children in a size 4 when they in the 5th grade. We'll be back.